Let me tell you something important. Your life does not change when circumstances change. Your life changes when your mind changes. Right now, the biggest battle you're fighting is not outside of you. It's not money, it's not people, it's not opportunity. The biggest battle is happening inside your head. By the way, if this message is helping you grow and shift your mindset, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. I share powerful reminders and guidance every week, and I don't want you to miss anything that could push you forward on your journey. Every day, your mind is speaking to you. The question is, are you controlling it, or is it controlling you? Most people wake up already defeated. They let yesterday's failures, today's fears, and tomorrow's doubts decide who they are going to be. But listen carefully, your thoughts are not facts. Just because your mind tells you you're tired, doesn't mean you're done. Just because your mind tells you you can't, doesn't mean you won't. Your mind is powerful, but only if you train it. Pain is not your enemy. Struggle is not your enemy. Discomfort is not your enemy. The real enemy is a weak mindset that quits the moment things get hard. Growth happens in resistance. Strength is built in suffering. Confidence is earned when you keep going, even when you don't feel like it. You don't need more motivation, you need discipline. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Discipline is doing the work when no one is watching. Discipline is showing up when you feel exhausted. Discipline is choosing long-term success over short-term comfort. Your future self is watching you right now. And one day you will look back at this moment and say either, I'm proud I didn't quit, or I wish I tried harder. There is no middle ground. You must understand this. Your mind will try to protect you by keeping you comfortable. But comfort is dangerous. Comfort kills dreams. Comfort creates regret. If you want more, you must demand more from yourself. Stop waiting for confidence. Confidence is built through action. Stop waiting to feel ready. You grow by starting before you feel ready. Every time you push past doubt, every time you ignore excuses, every time you show up anyway, you are unlocking another level of your mind. And once your mind is strong, nothing can control you. Not fear, not failure, not rejection. You were not built to live small. You were not built to quit. You were built to adapt, to rise, and to overcome. So when life tests you and it will stand firm, when your mind says stop, ask yourself, what if I go one more step? That one step is where growth lives. That one step is where confidence is born. That one step is where everything changes. Train your mind, control your thoughts, and never forget. By the way, if this message is helping you grow and shift your mindset, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. I share powerful reminders and guidance every week, and I don't want you to miss anything that could push you forward on your journey. Once you unlock the power of your mind, the world has no choice but to move out of your way.